In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files to OneDrive so you can easily access them wherever you are with ease. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal storage, OneDrive is a great tool for keeping all your important documents and media files in one place. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the OneDrive website. When you get there, you'll be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, make sure to create one. It's quick and absolutely essential because OneDrive is a Microsoft service. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll see the OneDrive home screen, which contains all of your existing files and folders, assuming you've uploaded something before. Now, it's time to upload your files. Look for the Upload button, which is usually located at the top of the page. Clicking on it will drop down a menu offering you the option to upload files or a complete folder. If you choose Files, you can select individual documents, photos, or videos from your computer. If it's an entire folder you want to transfer, select the Folder option. This feature is particularly useful for organizing multiple files quickly and maintaining the existing structure of your folders. Once you've made your selection, a window will pop up, reflecting your computer's file and folder structure. This interface is usually quite familiar if you've used other programs before. Simply navigate to the location of the file or folder you wish to upload and select it. Then, click Open. You'll notice that the upload process will start automatically. Depending on the size of the files and the speed of your internet connection, this process might take a few moments. While we wait, here's a quick tip: OneDrive offers a neat drag and drop feature. So if you prefer, you can actually drag your files directly from your desktop screen into your OneDrive files list instead of using the Upload button. It's really as simple as it sounds and is often a faster way to move things around. After the upload completes, your files will be available in your OneDrive account. To confirm they're there and open them, simply find them in your OneDrive storage. Click on the file name to open it directly in OneDrive using the online Microsoft tools like Word, Excel, and more, without even downloading it to your device. If you ever need to share the file, right-click on it and select Share to generate a link that you can send to others. And just like that, you've successfully uploaded files to OneDrive. With these files safely in the cloud, you can now access them from any device, anywhere, as long as you're connected to the internet. So whether it's for backup purposes or just to keep organized, you've got the tools you need to use OneDrive effectively. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.